86,400 seconds. Everyone gets 86,400 seconds in a day to work with. I take a lot of care in rationing mine. There are always thoughts like, could I be using my time better? Or, when I wake up tomorrow, will I be happy with what I've done today? Well, here we are at the end of 4 years. And I can happily say that I am proud of every second I've spent here at Norton High. We've all come a long way from when we first walked through our school's doors. We're taller, we hold our chins a little higher, and, as should happen in a school, we've learned. Well, I'm sure there are some things we would like nothing more than to forget. Calculus tests, English essays, and of course, finals and AP exams. These are important, but the most important part of the process of learning is learning about ourselves, because we will ultimately be held responsible for knowing ourselves best. Through the process of self-discovery, we must inevitably ask, am I comfortable with who I am right now? Why or why not? The thing is, people tend to ask others how they should improve themselves, when in fact they are uncomfortable with who they are and are not really seeking true change so much as a way to deal with the cognitive dissonance, to be able to maintain a personal illusion of being comfortable with who they are, while really not changing much at all. More often than not, we end up falling into the trap of seeking reassurance and responses along the lines of, you're fine just the way you are. But these responses feed complacency of the self, and to do more harm than good. The way to avoid this, then, is to look at ourselves as we actually are. All of our flaws and faults, but all of our virtues as well. The kindnesses, empathies, humor, and love that mark us as unmistakably, undeniably human. My fellow classmates, we are human, and we are the future. There will be times when we are tried beyond what we can comprehend today, when we are tested to our limits, and we will be pushed to find our place in this world. I have faith in every one of us that we will. It is my place here and now to bring a close to this chapter of our lives, and so I will repeat the wise words of William Ernest Henley. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody, but I'm bowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how strait the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Loyalty, honesty, creativity, integrity, responsibility, perseverance. These are just some of the values the school has fostered in its students, and now it is our turn to spread these values as we go into the world. I wish us all the best of luck.